Criminal investigation. Criminal investigation is usually conducted by the law enforcement officer who has the responsibility to identify, collect, and gather pieces of evidence at the crime scene for a specific purpose. A criminal investigator looks and clues and evidence to determine whether a crime has been taken place. If a crime has been committed, the investigator shall establish the threefold aim of investigation: to identify the guilty party, to locate the guilty party, and provide his guilt. Information. Information is a accusation writing issue charging a person or a group of persons of an offense that is subscribed by the prosecutor or fiscal. It is constituted on oath and includes the name of the party the offense has committed, facts of the offense, or other factor relevant. Complaint. Complaint is a sworn written statement charging a person or a group of persons of an offense that is subscribed by the offended party, such as the victims of the offense committed or any peace officer charged with the enforcement of the law violated. Warrant of arrest. Warrant of arrest is an writing issue by the name of people of the Philippines, signed by the judge directed to a peace officer, commanding him to arrest a person designated and take him into custody of the law in order that he may be bound to answer the commission of an offense. Search warrant. Search warrant is an writing issue by the name of people of the Philippines, signed by the judge directed to a peace officer, commanding him to search for personal property and bring it before the court. Basic principle of warrant of arrest. First, issued by the judge to a peace officer and commanding him to arrest the person stated therein. Second, it is enforceable with the Philippine territory at any time of the day or night. Third, arresting person must inform of the person to be arrested. Of cause of the arrest. Number 4, arrest is made by actual restraint of the person to be arrested or by his submission to the custody of the person making the arrest. Number 5, no specific expiration, but within 10 days of its receipts, the officer shall submit progress report into the issuing judge. Number 6, warrant of arrest is still valid if the suspect is not yet arrested unless the court denounces its validity. Basic principle of search warrant. Number 1, it shall be issued by the judge directed to a peace officer, commanding him to search for personal property and bring it before the court. Number 2, it is 10 days validity period upon receipt of search. Number 3, the issuing judge must be within the place where the crime committed, or issuing judge must be within the place where the property to be seized. Number 4, in enforcing the search warrant, the officer must be observed in the two witness rule in the process of search. Number 5, as a general rule, it is only enforceable at daytime except as provided by the issuing judge to search during nighttime. Number 6, The officer must follow what is specified in the search warrant to includes property to be seized and its location, house number, room number in hotel, and item to be seized. Number 7, the officer has the right to break door or window to effect search. Raid. Raid is a surprise invasion of a building or a group of a building or area. Raid raid is usually made after careful investigation and when other methods of accomplishing the mission are not suitable. Probable cause. When the facts and circumstances that would engender a well-grounded belief that a crime has been committed and person to be arrested committed it. Quality policy. The Isabela State University endeavors to be a lead university instruction, research, extension, and resource generation through continuous improvement of services. First, to uphold the commitment, ICU shall attain must follow quality objective. Second, sustain academic excellence and quality in instruction. Third, generate research breakthrough. Fourth, engage in sectoral activities for community development. Fifth, develop product for globalization. 6. Support student participation to local international fora to enhance their potentialities. 7. Comply with the standard set by statutory, regulatory, and accrediting bodies and review on periodic basis the quality management system or QMS and gather feedback on the level of silent satisfaction for basis continuous improvement.